The other big thing that you need to know about is price impact. And this happens when you're executing a trade on a decentralized exchange and the amount of tokens that you're trading against that particular liquidity pool where the assets are being held is probably too high and is causing an imbalance in the pool and is impacting the price of your trade. Let me show you by example here. So this is the meme coin SNEC, and this one has quite a bit of liquidity in its pool itself. So trading for this one here is usually okay. So let's have a look at some of these liquidity pools here. The ADAOZ SNEC pool, let's look at the total TVL here, the total value locked, and is 6.172 million ADA in that particular pool. Now that's a lot of liquidity there. So if I'm doing a trade for a couple of hundred ADA for SNEC, the price impact won't be too high. And that is because there's a lot of liquidity to fill my order. Now, if I happen to be trading 12 million ADA worth of assets, there will be a problem because there isn't enough liquidity there. But let's have a look at one of these smaller pools here. Let's say maybe Min SNEC. There we go. TVL here is only 6.6 thousand ADA or 6.6 USD worth of assets. So let me do a trade here. So I'm going to this particular pool. There we go, SNEC and Min. So these are two Cardano native assets, not ADA itself. So I'll do a trade with that. Now I do have some Min in my wallet, so I can do this trade, but I'll start it with Min, swapping for SNEC. So here I've got 45 Min in my wallet. So I'm just going to trade 10 Min swap for a SNEC. And you can see here, I'll go open up the details, price impact 1.17%. That's really low. So my price might, my value of that trade, the price of it that I get may just vary by 1.17. So that's not too bad. If I reduce that down further, my price impact may change a little bit, barely. But if I increase this here from 10 Min to let's say 10,000 Min, you can see here now that the price impact does change dramatically because there isn't enough liquidity in that pool. Again, if I change this to 100,000 Min tokens, you can see here now the price impact goes up even further. And that is because there's not enough liquidity in this particular pool. So there you go. That is another thing that you need to look out for when trading on a decentralized exchange. Make sure there is enough liquidity in the particular pool so that you don't get affected by price impact. So now that you know what price impact and slippage is, make sure you take that knowledge and arm yourself before executing any trades on any decentralized exchange in the crypto space.